Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the first video for my paternity leave. These are going to be what you're going to be working on in social studies for the rest of the week. I know we talked about it yesterday before leave started, but I just wanted to make sure that you knew that, as each assignment comes up in each week, you want to check in, watch this video. I'll kind of lay out everything that you need to complete for the week and, my expectations for your workload. So today and for social studies and tomorrow, the Thursday, you need to make sure that each day that you log in for social studies, one of the first things that you should do is, get yourself counted for as present in attendance. Please make sure that you have your camera on so that Mr. Hughes can see you. Even if it's just like a quick, minute of like, hey, I'm here. He'll get those attendance done. You have about 5 to 10 minutes to get logged into that session to get your attendance counted. And then from there, it's going to be basically time for you to work. So for this week, what you want to focus in on is after you watch Miss Dodson's announcements, then you need to finish up your web quest on the Lost Colony of Roanoke. And then finally, any and all Khan Academy assignments that are not done and due by 11:20 should be turned in. Now, I will say this. I had to add a bunch of assignments all at once in Khan Academy. I wish that they had let me kind of schedule it so that the assignment wouldn't post until a certain day and then would have a due date. But unfortunately, Khan doesn't work like that. So there's what looks like, I'm sure, a ton of assignments for you in Khan Academy. But please know that the two priorities for this week are to finish the web quest and all of the assignments that have a due date of 11/20/2020. Other than that, you don't have to worry about finishing up all the rest of the Khan Academy assignments this week. Those are there to help go through, the rest of our break time. So at this point, please feel free to, make sure you introduce yourself to Mr. Hughes. He may want to talk to you for a good 5 or 10 minutes, but that's exactly, my expectations for today is that you are going to be completing your web quest and all Khan Academy assignments by Friday, 11/20/2020. By the time you're watching this, we may or may not have the baby, but as soon as everything kind of settles down and we know the baby's healthy and we're through everything, I'll post a couple pictures and whatnot to Google Classroom so you can see the little guy. So thanks for checking in today. Good luck the rest of the time, and I will see you in a couple days with another video update for workload. Okay? Have a great rest of your week, and I'll be thinking about you guys. Thanks.